And for this workout, you're only gonna need this. So for this workout, we're only gonna need one dumbbell. This is gonna be a full body masculine endurance workout where it's gonna be great for your core, grip strength, and a full body. So we're gonna do 5 exercises. Each exercise, we're gonna start with 4 reps. And once you finish those 5 exercises and the next set, we're gonna increase the reps by 1. Then we're gonna do 5 reps and 6, 7, so on and so forth. And we're gonna do that for 10 minutes non-stop. So check it out. Exercise number 1, elbow close to the body, 45-degree angle, feet shoulder width. And we're just gonna do regular squats with 1 dumbbell. Exercise number 1, we're gonna start with 4 reps. Next one, we're gonna do 4 reverse lunges. We work on balance, stability, and quads. Then we're gonna transition to shoulder presses. We work on shoulders. Next one, we're gonna do single arm Romanian deadlift. You're just gonna bring the dumbbell mid-shin, come back up, and squeeze your butt on top. Next one, we're gonna do half kneeling or stagger stance rows. We're gonna do 4 repetitions on all those movements, and then we're gonna switch the side. So then we're gonna do 4 reps on the other side. After our first set, we're gonna increase the reps by 1. So now we're gonna do 5 reps on all of those exercises. This workout is great because it also allows you to be stable and work on your core and your obliques, because you only have weight on one side of your body. So you wanna make sure that you are tight and you're embracing your core. So this is also a good benefit of this workout. Also, you work on grip strength, muscular endurance. You can do this workout at home, in the hotel, if you don't have access to the gym. So let's keep working. So I finished my second set, and the third set, I'm gonna increase the reps by 1. So now we're gonna do 6 repetitions on all those exercises. So let's keep working. Alright guys, so that was a full body muscular endurance, strength endurance workout utilizing only 1 dumbbell where you were working on different muscles, core, balance, stability. This can be a very versatile workout, and we only use 1 dumbbell, very simple equipment that you can use at home, in the hotel, in your room, if you don't have access to the gym. So you can utilize this template. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe. And also, make sure you stay focused, work hard, and fucking subscribe. See you.